quick pick of 6 or 7 deadbolts. Hey guys, it's Joe with Average Joe Locksport. We have a couple deadbolts down here, cylinder, mortises, regular deadbolts. We're going to go ahead and try to pick a couple of them, and then if the video's not too long, I'm going to go ahead and gut one of them. So let's just grab one and get started. This one here is a Defiant. What's going on here? Okay, there's an opening on one of them. Put him right there. Go to our second one. And there is our second one. Open. There's our third one. Opened. There is our fourth one. Opened. Excuse me. Here is our fifth one. There is our fifth one opened. sixth one open. Alright guys, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 opens. Looks like we have a quick set. And looks like I have 4 Schlegs, and I'm not really sure what this one is. If anybody knows, please let me know. Alright guys, that's it. A short one. We picked 6 deadbolts containing mortise cylinders, rim cylinders, and plain old deadbolts. I appreciate your time. If you like what you've seen, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. If you guys like what you've seen, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.